While it might be early in the morning, the hustle and bustle of a new day is already underway. And for students at the Burleson School for Innovation and Education, it's a new opportunity to grow and expand their potential.
So you think you got it? Mm-hmm. You're going to follow it just like that, and you're going to put it in there.
The Burleson School for Innovation and Education is for young adults who've just graduated from high school whom have disabilities. We have various enterprises and partners that we partner with for our students. We have the cafe, a print shop, a boutique, and a flower shop. And we also visit Peter Piper's, Walgreens, and the Subway.
A few steps away from the Burleson Cafe is where you'll find Cordelia Special Tees. Open to the public, this print shop cranks out one-of-a-kind custom shirts, all while providing workforce experience to students. Of course, a trip to Burleson wouldn't be complete without stopping by Burleson Blooms, a flower shop offering arrangements made with love by the students. For Kaylee Luis, who works in the boutique, Burleson is more than just a school, but rather a community helping her gain her independence.
I was nervous and I was scared, but then I came here and I got to make friends. I was able to like the teachers, and they helped me with college applications, and they're going to help me with FAFSA. They helped me make my own resume, so that's good for when I apply for a job. And they also take us to like Walgreens or Peter Piper's or the food bank, and we volunteer and get job experiences. And it's pretty fun, the places we go, it's exciting.
If you would like to order a custom t-shirt or floral arrangement, or would like more information about attending the Burleson School for Innovation and Education, call 210-898-4061 or visit their website at burleson.eisd.net.